it's Melissa. In this video, I am going to unbox the Starcraft Solo. It's a 16-inch wide vinyl cutter. I get asked about this machine quite a bit, actually, pretty surprisingly often, actually. So I'm going to unbox it today. I've actually had this one for quite a while. It's been in storage. I've been kind of debating, opening it up and showing it to you or, what. But I know a lot of you are looking for alternatives in the above 12-inch cutting machines. So this is a really great option. There are becoming more and more cutters on the market that are, between 12 and 24 inches that are more affordable for crafters. So I'm just going to open up the Solo here and see what we have in the box, which obviously here we have a cutting mat and the machine. Oh, we also have a box. I'm assuming there's like probably the cords and USB maybe in there. So let's see. I'm going to tilt this way to pull this out. So graceful. Okay, so what I noticed right away is the material that this machine is made of. It is not like a hard plastic. It's definitely like a more substantial type of material. I don't really know my manufacturing materials, but it's not plastic. Okay, so you're gonna be careful. It's got a lever bar in the back there that controls the roller bar and the little feet that hold the mat in place. So just be careful when you're pulling off this plastic that you don't drag it with you. So this is kind of a compromise between the 12-inch cutting and the 24-inch cutting at 16 inches, which, most heat transfer vinyl specifically comes in 15-inch wide rolls. Most vinyl, adhesive vinyl, comes in 12 or 24. So those you would still have to cut down a little bit, but this would be perfect for heat transfer vinyl at the 15-inch mark. So what you can see, it obviously has some zip ties there. The carriage here is actually very similar. If you're familiar with the Caesar Juliet or the Caesar Romeo, the carriage here with the way that the blade is going to install is very similar to that. On the back, you have this, I think it's the three where the roller feet are, and this lever here brings them up and down, okay? And then what you have in this box, let's check this out. So what we have is looks like a USB, and that you'll use that in order to connect to your computer. Obviously, you have a power cord. We have, I'm assuming, a power block. That is the second part of the power connection. This is very typical for cutters. And then you have your blade. So if you're familiar with the CB09, the Starcraft Solo actually uses a very similar looking blade, okay? And it comes with 3 different blades that you will have to install into here. I'll have a video on that as well, so you'll know how to set that all up. And then it has a pen adapter, so you could put a pen in instead of the cutting blade, and then you can sketch. And then it looks like it has a replacement pen as well, but we'll have to see because I'm not exactly sure. So what I don't see is any type of instruction manual, which means I'm assuming that it's online. There may actually be a QR code on the box. I'll have to check that out to download the user manual to get started, and also I'm assuming the software which comes with the machine that we will have to use to get it all registered and set up to make our first cut. But if you're wondering what was in the box with the Starcraft Solo, not a whole lot other than the machine and the cutting mat and obviously blade and power cord, so you can get that started. So I'll have some more videos on this as well if you guys are interested in this as an option for vinyl cutting. You can, of course, cut more than vinyl and heat transfer vinyl. You can cut paper as well. It does print and cut, but it only has 1 blade carriage, unlike the Silhouette Cameo, which has 2, unlike the Silhouette Cameo Pro or Plus, which also both have 2 carriages as well. Okay? All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you around.